Here are the steps to add a recipe. Using the Springboard menu, navigate to Products. Then proceed to Manage Products. Once in the Manage Product grid, find the product you wish to edit. Choose the Edit option indicated by a pencil icon. Click on this icon to enter edit mode for the product. Navigate to the Recipes tab. In the Recipes tab, add the ingredients to create the recipe by clicking on the icon plus. A drop-down list will appear, allowing you to search for and select the ingredient you want to add to the recipe. Pay attention to the unit of measure. Ensure to select the appropriate unit of measure for accuracy. Monitor the cost field as you enter ingredients and quantities. The system will automatically update the cost field to reflect any changes. Once you've added all the necessary ingredients and quantities and verified the cost information, save the changes by clicking on the checkmark icon. This will update the product and its recipe with the new information.